friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make line chart in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So for making line graph, firstly select the data which you want to present on the line graph. So after selecting the data, you can see insert option, so just click on it and then select the line graph. So here you can see insert line. So when you will click on it, and you can see different format of line chart. So you can select anyone. So I am selecting first one. So you can see line chart is inserted. So guys, in this way you can make a line graph in Excel. So if you want to make it more attractive and useful, so you can adjust the size and you can change the position and change the title and change the style and color of the line chart. So for changing the position of line chart, so just click on the blank area of line chart and then press the left side of the mouse and drag to anywhere according to your need. So in this way you can change the position of line chart. So if you want to change the size of line chart, so you can see a small circle at the corner and then click on it and drag to according to your need. So in this way you can change the size of line chart. So if you want to change the color of line chart, so just select the chart and then you can see chart design option. So just click on it and then you can see change color option. So click on it and you can change the color of line chart. So in this way you can change the color of line chart. So if you want to change the style of line chart, so just click on chart design and you can see different format of chart design. So guys, in this way you can change the chart style. So guys, if you want to change the chart title, so just click on it and then write the name. So after that you can see name is changed. So guys, in this way you can make a line graph in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.